It's real. You can make cash through Amazon. There are brands that will pay you as little as $25 to as much as $150, depending on your experience and portfolio. So there's a lot of ways to make money out there. You just have to go out there and do it. In my last video, I explained more or less how to make money with Amazon, or how, at least how I did it. One that I'm doing right now to make some extra money, side money, it's not paying my rent, but it's paying some bills, is I'm basically just doing an honest review for different types of clothes that a company sends me. Like 20 to 30 second video, and then I took about 3 pictures, 2 front shots, 1 side shot, and 1 back shot. And that literally only took me like an hour to do, because it takes time to set up your camera and whatnot. I want to do it perfectly. I've been doing a little bit of GC work, and I want it to come out well. I don't care how much they're paying me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm really passionate about this kind of work. So that was the first job that I did for them. Just this last week, they sent me 2 items. I chose a tracksuit, and I also chose this long shirt, sleeve shirt, right? I made a video for each one and took some pictures. In about 2 hours, I made about $50. Doesn't sound like much money, but I'm gonna tell you guys, it's something that I did within a couple hours on the weekend. I was able to make $50, and I got free clothes. So it's pretty cool. I feel like it's a sponsorship. You know what I mean? Like when people promote a brand and then they send them free stuff all the time. That's how I feel right now. So it's really cool. My wife is kind of jealous, and she's trying to do it, but she hasn't been able to get approved through Amazon. So that's another thing. You have to have an Amazon affiliate account. Or you can contact them directly. If you contact them directly, they actually contacted me, but if you contact them directly, you could probably make videos for them so they can promote those products on their webpage, because it's not just for Amazon. But I think they found me through Amazon. I have a lot of videos on Amazon. And the cool thing about it is that it's not something that you script. So usually I script my videos for UGC, and it takes time. That's why I charge more through UGC. But this is just an honest review. I just tell them what I think about the shirt, the product. Obviously, if it fits you too baggy, you're not gonna say that, oh my God, it's too big. You're gonna be honest, but you're not gonna say anything negative about the product, because that's the whole point of the video. You're helping them promote the product. So that was the first and second item that they sent me, and they loved it. They're really happy about it. Now, this time they sent me another catalog, and I was able to choose 6 items. My wife was stoked. She was like, oh my God, they're just sending you more and more clothes. Like, she's not even thinking about the money. She's thinking about the clothes. Like, you get what I mean? Like, for her, women love that. And say, some guys do too. I like it. I'm a fashionable guy. So I think it's pretty cool that I have this trust with this company. And tying back to my last video, my last couple videos, those $25, if you travel to Colombia, that's 100,000 pesos. That's what's pretty cool. That's like $100 down there, like making down there, spending down there. So basically, I made $50, right? So that's $200 down there. That's like worth $200 down there. I think it's just really cool to have little side jobs like that. We're living in such stressful times that, you know, we wish we could have enough money to pay all our bills. You want that special thing that you want to buy. Like me, I've been saving up for a computer, and through UGC work, I've been able to do it. I've been able to save up for a new computer, because I record my videos in 4K, 24 frames per second, and on my iPhone, it takes up a lot of space. My phone has really good camera quality, but it takes up so much space. And when I transfer it to my computer, it just takes for days. And I don't always have a lot of time. So I'm updating my computer. My computer's a little bit old. It's like an i5. Just like those types of jobs, just like that job that I have with Amazon, there are many other companies out there that will be willing to pay you more. I just, honestly, I don't mind taking $25 right now in some free clothes, because personally, I need that money. And secondly, I just started doing UGC last September, and I'm building my portfolio. So there's different types of UGC that you can do. This one is just Amazon shoppables. What I'm doing is an honest review. That's all that is. You know, maybe that's why it doesn't pay that much, but hey, it's extra money, like I said. If I can reach out to other brands, if I can get other brands to reach out to me and to get them to pay me 50, maybe possibly to $75, and I can get those jobs every single day, oh my God, I will be set to live in another country. Because like I said, just like Colombia, other countries, the dollar quadruples or triples, and you just live well down there. So imagine you get good enough and you're making the average, what an average UGC creator makes per video, 150 to 200, you know, ones that have been doing it for a while. Imagine making that. That's like $600, $800 per video. That's what it's worth down there in another country. And my plans are to move back. So once I move back, I mean, I don't want to say that I'm going to be set, but at least I know I'm planting seeds right now. You know, it's a side hustle, and then side hustles turn into something even bigger. So I honestly think I'm pretty happy with it. I'm really happy about it. And as you can see, what I just showed you guys, I mean, this is real stuff. You know, I'm getting paid real money. I just showed you guys my PayPal, and I just showed you guys the catalog in the messages. So for me, man, this is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And while I build my YouTube channel, when I'm able to get 1,000 subscribers and I'm able to monetize, this actually keeps me mentally happy. It keeps me mentally well. I make these videos not just for you, but I make these videos for me as well, because I've been going through hard times, guys. I'm just a regular person like you are. I mean, it's really hard out here. You know, I work AV, I do physical work. I'm 42, and I know you're not supposed to be feeling that much pain at my age, but the truth of it is you get older, and the older you get, you know, the more difficult it gets to do these kinds of jobs. Hey, I'll be honest with you, it keeps me fit though. But look, I mean, I came out of work today. Today was a pretty rough day. I was not gonna upload this video today. I was not gonna record it, and you know, I got really dirty today. I mean, look at my nails. I mean, I'm gonna have to go to like a manicure to get these done, to get these cleaned up, because of my job, my side job. You know what I mean? You want to look clean in those videos, especially if you're doing unboxing videos. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about Amazon or how to get into the Amazon affiliate program, write a comment. Like, let me know. And if you really like this type of content, if you enjoy what you're watching, help me out, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I promise you, it'll help me a lot, and I'll be able to help you guys a lot, because I like to try a lot of this new online stuff. Like, that's my main goal, is to work online without a career, because I went to school twice and it's got me nowhere, because school is not for everybody. The university is not for everybody. But there are times of change, and there's money to be made out there. I just think I should have studied marketing probably, but I was a teacher for many years. So now I'm combining what I love to do as a passion and what I did as a profession in my past. And I'm gonna learn it as I go, and I'm gonna teach it to you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it has helped me, and then I'm gonna help you guys, because I think we have to share the wealth. I think that's so important, because if we don't do that, then who are we as human beings? We are here on earth for something. Even if you don't believe in God, it's something out there created us, the universe, the frequencies, whatever, the energy. You know, we're here for a reason. We're here to be good people, good human beings. And I think the world is changing now. We're in a major shift right now, but meanwhile, we're struggling. A lot of us are struggling, and we need to find ways to make ends meet, because $15 an hour, $20 an hour, it's just not enough anymore. You know, it's not enough to feed our families. So we need to take care of ourselves one way or the other. So there's a lot of online jobs, online gigs, or odd jobs, if you want to call it, out there, but not all of us know how to find these odd jobs, which is really sad. I mean, I feel bad for a lot of people who have it worse than me. I can't say that I have it completely bad, but one day I will be able to say that I have it great, and I can say, hey, I want to share the wealth. I want to give out a free course. I want to do that. I want people to do that. You know, I think there's a lot of people that are doing it right now on YouTube, but the only way to do it is by investigating and looking online for new opportunities, because a lot of people don't tell you these things. A lot of people will just try to sell you a course, but a lot of people don't say, hey, go and, you know, just sign up for Amazon. All you got to do is have maybe a couple hundred followers on TikTok, just have some movement on TikTok, and just sign up. As long as I see that. I just had a couple thousand followers on Instagram, and they reached out to me. I honestly didn't think anything of it when they're reaching out to me, but then I realized, I said, wow, let me check this out. I just got really interested. So I ended up checking it out, guys, and then one thing led to another. And I am a huge believer in the law of the universe, a law of attraction, not just by like wishing for something, but I'm a huge believer by making the right decision. So making the correct decision. So if you think positive, then you're gonna make the right decision, and then that action is gonna take you to another decision, another one. That's how you get the law of attraction to work in your favor. But you have to take action. If you don't take action, nothing's gonna happen. Like me right now, I'm recording this video. I'm so tired. I am deadbeat tired. I did not want to record this video today. And I used to record every single day. I had to cut back to once a week. More or less once or twice a week is my goal right now. But I said, you know what? People need me. I need me. You know, let me record this video. And this is what I'm doing now, guys, because I know that there's money to be made out there. All of us can win. So take action. That is the moral of the story. Moral of the video. Take freaking action. Drop a comment. Let me know if you want me to help you. Drop a comment and I'll give you some more information. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.